channel. Welcome back to the Deans.
Today we're on Route 44. We're here by the Stellenbosch market.
Oh, I must be able to come here. Oh, it's nice. Good, thank you. Yourself? That looks nice. Oh, I'm let's see what else. Is it like a pizza? Another Asian shop. So what where do we go first? What do you eat? What do you want to eat first?
Whatever you want to buy, you come to the food section.
Aye?
We first go buy whatever we want to buy, and then we come to the food section also.
That's sweet.
That's vanilla.
Thank you.
Vanilla.
I am a sweet tooth.
Fudge.
Vanilla.
Take it off the stick.
Okay.
I think it's been raining outside, hasn't it?
Oh, yes, it's terrible. But we've been waiting for this. We always say it's too hot.
Yeah.
And now when it's like this, then it's
They
like,
will complain, it's
yes.
too cold.
I will definitely come back and then we're just taking our rounds and
Look
then,
around and keep in mind the
yes,
prices
yes.
as well.
Tip.
3 for 111.
Okay. Okay. The vanilla doesn't taste too bad, eh? The vanilla doesn't taste too bad. So this is American. We have the Korean food. What it does is just normal burgers.
Yeah,
But you're cooking in Africa.
ja. Hulle is daai klomp lekker stelletjies. O, ek dink lyk my hulle lyk almal so stelletjies.
As hulle die stainless of is dit silver? Silver. Okay.
Maar ons sal seker nou weer in Augustus koop van die hoofvoorraad te kry. So as
Okay.
jy hier rond is, kan jy wat doen.
Ja.
Ja, ja.
En het u miskien nou dis nie is nie eintlik die sleepe een nie, maar my dogter sy bly vir my maar sy sê dit lyk eintlik soos sy haal.
Ja, weet jy, ons kan weer bring dat ons ons gaan Augustus maak, maar by Elgin Rower maak het. Ek
Okay.
het ons 'n winkeltjie daar en hulle het van die winkeltjies daar.
O, okay,
Maar
wat
hy
ek
soos
tog nou.
knoppietjie aan, wat
Ja,
so vas
ja.
Ja.
Sy explain vir my nou al, maar ek sal dit in my nou en dan ek dink I think I must buy as that
Yeah, buy one of those.
Ja,
that okay.
Is wenetjie.
Yeah, so again it's good.
Okay. Nutella, peanut butter, and
Banana.
banana. So we have this nice pancakes, Nutella, peanut butter, and Nutella and banana, some corn dogs, and other stuff. It's so peaceful here. And that was just like the store, you know? The store to just below. Okay. Okay. I wanted to come to this place now for what, over a year. And then finally today, okay? Let's see what's there.
Yes. They're camping probably there.
Hey?
They're probably camping there.
Oh.
Slippery. Are you sure? I'm sure.
Some, what do they have a live band?
Yes. I don't know. Yeah, I think so.
Yes, it's events here.
Beautiful. Ooh, the water baby.
See, I come back. Come back.
So what we gonna get today?
So you get your sleep, it takes about 15 minutes to
Okay, no problem, no problem. Thank you.
We're gonna be ready when you're ready.
Yes.
Ready. Okay, we're gonna take it easy because
Okay.
it's your first time you guys here.
Yeah.
So, but now you're getting used. So we're gonna go a little bit faster. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yes, there we go. All right, gentlemen, your ice cream is almost ready. Eh? I hope you're ready. There we go. Oh, look at that bad boy. There we go. Woo! Oh yes. It's just so much better after flying in the air. There's one more part coming here. We're gonna just put it in like this way. All right, there we go. Okay.
I got one question. How long did it take you to catch an ice cream on the coast?
Just a few days.
Okay, few days.
Yeah, a few days and a couple of drops.
Okay. Sometime then. Thank you very much.
All right. We're gonna make one for the lady now. The brown bear. One brown bear for the lady. One brown bear for the lady. There we go. We go. All right, one brown bear. So we're gonna do chocolates. All right, if you're ready, man, Manny, you ready? All right, I'm coming right there now. All right, okay, we going with the brown bear. All right, yes, sir. There we go. Woo. Okay, I put some rollers in there and brownie. Roller for the lady. We need to put 2 rollers. Why not? We can. And a brownie for her. All right, let's drizzle in some chocolate sauce in there. Voila. Okay. I assume the lady like it this way. I just assume. There we go. Are we gonna put it in a cone or in a cup? A cone or cup for you, Malik? Good as well. All right, there we go. Mamita Manny. All right, nachora ni chaunga chachona. All right, there we go. Everything is in now, mixed in perfectly well. All right, let's see what's happening here.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, it is in a cone. Okay, let's do this way. You ready?
Yes.
Gentlemen, I need you to do a favor for me, gentlemen. I want you to give the lady the first bite. This is the first bite for her.
When I give it to her.
Yes. You're gonna have to feed her the first bite. All right, let's do that.
Are you ready, lady?
Are you ready, lady? Oh yes. Yes. I like it that way. Oh yes.